So this is my 2021 Forester Premium that we purchased recently, and there is an additional feature that was added on at the dealership, which was the remote start option. It comes with a remote start fob, which works fine, but at the dealership I asked them the question, doesn't that work with my regular keyless access fob, this one? The instruction card that came with the module shows both this keyless access fob and the included remote access fob. The instruction says to push twice within 2 seconds and then push and hold the button to start the remote start on your vehicle. Now if we use the fob that came with it, it works fine, but with the keyless access fob it would not work no matter what they did. I finally figured out it's their instructions. It's press twice within 2 seconds with a brief pause, press again and hold, count to 3 seconds or so, that's what it says by the instructions, and then it should start. So now that I've done that, it works perfectly, whereas before it could never get it to work. So press twice, the brief pause, hold, now it works. As you see, the first attempt I tried, it was not perfectly timed. It's 2 quick presses. You wait about half a second, maybe a second at max, press again, hold, and then you wait about 2 or 3 seconds, and then the vehicle will start. It's not consistent. You got to get used to it. Hopefully that, resolve some problems for some people. They complained that this wireless key or wireless access fob doesn't work very well with the remote start, and that's why they have the long distance range, which is the other fob which came with this unit, which is this one. But it actually works very well. I was able to first test it with the regular remote start fob and use this one to turn it off by holding it for 2 seconds. It worked fine to stop it, but it wouldn't start. So it is basically there you go. That's it. That's the issue. Instructions don't tell you to pause, but you need that pause. Good luck to you with your remote start on your Subaru Forester. I believe that covers the 2019 through 2021 at this point.